Before you disassemble your PC, be equipped with the tools to make your experience complete.
Hi, it's me, Ram, and I'm here to give you some insights about the tools that you can use for disassembling and assembling your personal computer.
The first one is the screwdriver. There are a lot of screwdrivers, but flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers are common. Screwdrivers are used to unscrew and tighten the screws. Rotate the screwdriver clockwise to tighten the screws and counterclockwise to remove the screws. Pliers will help disassemble your PC. It can be used to cut, trim, hold, bend, and stretch some electronics. If pliers hold some electronics, tweezers on the other hand hold small particles that are a sensitive part of your computer. Sometimes, natural lighting is not enough to correctly see all the components of a computer to be disassembled. If that's the case, a flashlight can help add some light while you disassemble. Part retriever is also a hand tool to help you find some parts and small particles that cannot be taken by the bare hand. Next one is the crimping tool. It is used to create network cables and connect wires to other connections. Anti-static wrist strap is used to neutralize the static charges. And for the last one, LAN tester, it is used to check and test the network cables. All the tools mentioned above will be useful in disassembling and assembling your personal computer.